Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the website, and after going, simply what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome, and now we have to write the Adobe Illustrator here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the Adobe Illustrator, and then we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see now, this is site is provided here. So we have to click on this first link here, and after clicking on the first link, as you can see, we have to wait for a few seconds. Now you will get this option free trial here. So we have to click on this free trial, and as you can see, we have to wait for a few seconds again. Now in the same way, now what we have to do, we have to choose this, and we have to click on the continue again. And after clicking on the continue, as you can see, we have to choose this. For example, I'm going to select this, or you can also click on the continue. So I'm going to click on this continue again. And as you can see, we have to provide the email address here, and then we have to click on the continue. And after that, we will be able to download this, and we will be able to install it and use it. So in this way, you can download the Adobe Illustrator. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.